Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can create this really cool futuristic looking text effect on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word green for instance, and I'm also going to select a font for it as well. I also want to make it slanted a little bit. You don't have to, but I like it like that. Then I'm just going to choose this for the preset style. Then I'm going to go to outline, well, like the stroke, and adjust the thickness a little bit. Go to, well, you can also change the color of the outline, by the way, if you don't want it to be a white color. I think you can. I'm just going to stick with this. Right click, create compound clip, and go to blend mode and choose the screen one, and you're just going to copy and paste it and like move it to either the right or the left, and like you can even move it behind this one if you'd like to, and adjust the opacity a little bit so it's not too like seen. So we're going to go from, like, for instance, 60. Wait, which one is that one? Oh, to something like, I don't know, 40, and you're just going to go lower than that at each time. And that is basically it. You have this really cool text effect. If you don't like it without the background, it looks a little bit better like this. But that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!